Vedanta is basically these two things. One is the divinity within us, and the second thing is the oneness of all existence. So our real nature is divine, and our means everybody, all of us, all human beings, all sentient beings. There is a divinity within us, our real nature, and this entire this tremendous universe spread out before us, this extraordinary diversity. There is a oneness. Ultimately, there is an underlying oneness. This is Vedanta. Traditionally also, if you go back to Shankara's works, we just heard a beautiful chanting of the Brahma Jnana Valimala. There you find Shankara's formulation, which is very famous. If you ask a traditional Pandit, tell us Vedanta in one sentence, he will quote that. We just heard Brahma Satyam Jagat Mithya Jiva Brahmeva Napara. Brahman is the ultimate reality. The universe is an appearance of that reality, and we are that same Brahman. We are nothing but that Brahman that we find in the Brahma Jnana Valimala, which was just chanted. So that's another beauty of Vedanta, such a profound, deep philosophy. Deep, it's not just a philosophy, it's an entire view of life, of civilization, of existence itself. So in the widest sense. And yet, it has been formulated with such elegance that you can express it in one sentence. You can express it as Brahman is real, the world is an appearance, and the Jiva, sentient being, is none other than Brahman. In the Upanishads, you can express it as you are that, Tattvamasi. That's all of Vedanta. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahman. That's all of Vedanta. You can make it even more short. Om. Just Om is all of course you have to unpack it. It's like a zip file. So when you unpack it, everything comes out of it. And beyond that, even beyond Om, we find in the Dakshinamurti Stotra, Shankaracharya himself says, silence is the highest expression of Vedantic teaching. So in an extraordinary, elegant way, the whole teaching can be given to you in silence. Can you say a little more than silence? Om. Little more than that? Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi. Little more than that, please explain. Brahman is real, the world is an appearance, and you are Brahman. So in all these ways, I think still Swami Vivekananda's characterization of Vedanta as the divinity within us and as the oneness of this universe, and of course, how to realize it and make it active, living, nourishing in our lives. That's also what Vedanta wants us to do, and that's part of Vedanta too.